So we're right here back at Elite Court Estate in Ugwogo Nike. It is a blend of luxury and affordability, and like you can see, the fence wall is going on just like we promised. Of course, the goal is to fence round, insert the gates and begin to, put in the infrastructure within the estate. Court began sales at 3.3 million naira, currently sits at 4 million naira, and as work here progresses, definitely the price keeps going up. So you want to call today if you're looking for an affordable place that, of course, in a short while, in 2 to 3 years, you want to start building. This is the perfect place for you. Currently selling at 4 million is at Ugwogo. Elite Court is around 3 minutes from the Ugwogo Ultramodern Market. That's the new Ugwogo Ultramodern Market. That's along the express. It's about 2 minutes to the Enugu Abuja Expressway, and it's sitting in a very stable, beautiful location. So call today on 080967376668 so that we can book you plots or your plot here at Elite Courts, and this guarantees you high return on investment. Look at the plan for Elite Court. The green area observed. In fact, this is a luxury estate, mini and luxury, with limited plots, and is also registered at lands. Now, one of the beautiful things about Elite Courts is that we are offering you a guaranteed 20% ROI within the next 12 months. Now, I understand that some people may not want to keep their plots for too long. They want to resell. And yes, when you're buying at 4 million today, we will help you resell guaranteed at 4.8 million within 12 months. What that means is that you put your 4 million naira for a plot or a number of plots, and in 12 months you get 20% return on investment guaranteed. We're going to back this guarantee up with a post-dated check and a contract of sale. The post-dated check states the exact date in which your plot will be resold and given to you, and a contract of sale covering your investment. Now, also at the end of this 12 months and you don't decide to keep your plots, then of course you can as well go ahead and keep it. You can see the environment of Elite Courts. Electricity, people live within the environment. The road is paved, of course, and is barely 2 minutes to the third road. That's the Enugu Abuja Express. That's Enugu Nsukka Express. The Elite Court is around 10 minutes drive from the new Peace University. That's Maduka University, which of course, as at this year, admitted the highest number of students for a private university. Is about 15 minutes to Nike Lake Resort, and it sits in a very beautiful, very fast developing environment. Buying a plot or more in Elite Court guarantees you a very high return on investment. So go ahead and give us a call today on 080967376668 so that we can schedule your inspection and of course reserve your plot. These plots, I promise you, are not going to be available for too long and not in the same price. Okay, so go ahead and give us a call today and let us discuss. Remember, 20% return on investment guaranteed if you want to keep your plot for just 12 months. For just 12 months you are getting a guaranteed 20% return on investment. So if you buy today at 4 million per 500 square meters, that means in 12 months time you're selling for 4.8 million naira with a post-dated check to back up this ROI as well as a contract of sale, right? So go ahead and give us a call today as we drive back to Ugwogo roundabout. This is the environment of Elite Court. That's the third road right there, and I look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy a great day.